Good day everyone, I'm here to present my math performance task for the third quarter. The topic I choose is finding the slope of a line. The slope of a line tells us how steep a line is and the direction it is going. If a line goes upward from left to right, the slope is positive. If it goes downward from left to right, the slope is negative. If the line is flat, the slope is 0. The formula for finding the slope of a line is m equals open parenthesis y sub 2 minus y sub 1 close parenthesis, again open parenthesis, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 and close parenthesis. Where m is the slope and open parenthesis x sub 1 comma y sub 1 and open parenthesis x sub 2 comma y sub 2 close parenthesis are 2 points on the line. Let us find the slope of a line that passes through the points parenthesis 2, 3, and parenthesis again 6, 11. Our example problem is 2, 3, and 6, 11. First, identify the values. Our x sub 1 is 2. And our y sub 1 is 3. And then, our x sub 2 is 6. And our y sub 2 is 11. Next, substitute them into the formula. This is our formula. Okay, let's substitute them. Our y sub 2 is 11 minus our y sub 1 is 3 our x sub 2 is 6 and our x sub 1 is 2. And then let's simplifying. 11 minus 3 is 8 and x minus 2 is 4. And then let's divide this. 4 divide into 8 is equal to 2. Therefore, the slope of the line is 2. This is the final answer. Slope can also be explained as rise over run. The rise is the change y values and the run is the change in the x values. In this example, the rise is 8 and run is 4. Let's have another example problem. Again, let us find the slope of a line that passes through the points parenthesis x 7 parenthesis 8 10. First, identify the values. Our x sub 1 is 6 and our y sub 1 is 7 and another x sub 2 is 8 and our y sub 2 is 10. And this is our formula. Okay, let's substitute them. Our y sub 2 is 10 minus, let's copy the sign, and then our y sub 1 is 7 over another, our x sub 2 is 8, another, copy the sign, and then our x sub 1 is 6. Let's simplify them. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. over 8 minus 6 is 2. And then, we're gonna divide this 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is 1.5. And this is the final answer. Therefore, the slope of the line is 1.5. What does 1.5 mean? For every 1 unit increases in x, y increases by 1.5 units. So the line is rising, not failing. The slope is 1.5. That's the final answer. Nothing more to simplify. Again, slope can also be explained as rise over run. The rise is the change y values and the run is the change in the x values. In this example, the rise is 3 and the run is 2. Real life application. We use slope in real life when designing roads, ramps, stairs, and buildings.